If you're still relying on your Contact Us page for your lead generation, well, basically, you're losing leads. What you need is a funnel. If a website is a brochure, then a funnel is a salesperson. While your website and your Contact Us page generally just waits for people to get in touch with you, a funnel grabs them by the hand and leads them straight through the process and converts them into a lead. So basically, it's time to stop building websites and start building funnels for your lead generation. Hi, it's Alex here from Brainstorm Force. And in this video, I'm going to take you through step by step how to create an opt-in sales funnel. We're going to be using WordPress and we're also going to be using CartFlows. And do stick around until the end because I'm going to be using one other plugin to give our sales funnel an extra boost. So let's jump on the computer and I'll take you through it right now. So here is my WordPress website. As you can see, it's running Astra Theme. It's not a real website. It's just a website that I've created for this demonstration. It's running WooCommerce, and to create our funnel, it's running CartFlows. You can try CartFlows for free by installing it within the plugin section within your WordPress dashboard. And you can get hold of CartFlows Pro, which offers loads more features over at cartflows.com. I'm also running SureForms, which I'm going to get to at the end of this video, because by using SureForms, I'm going to increase the chances of booking the all-important sales call with a prospect. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video for that. To make an opt-in work really well, I recommend that you give away something of value. Something that shows that you're an expert in your field. This could be a free ebook, a free guide, some PDF that's full of useful information, because people are a lot more likely to share their email address with you in return for something of value. And that's what I'm going to be doing today with this funnel. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a free product in WooCommerce for my free guide. So let's do that. I'm going to jump into the dashboard. I'm going to go to products and then add new product. And the product I've got is a free SEO guide, because the funnel that I'm going to create is for a fictional SEO agency. So we just call it a free SEO guide. And then I need to set it as a virtual product and just give it a 0 price. We can then add a product image. I just asked ChatGPT to create me one quickly. So let's upload that. I'm going to find the file on my computer. There it is. And set the product image. Looks pretty good. And then I'm going to publish that. I mean, of course, you'd add a description about whatever your guide's about. I could just add this, free SEO guide on how to rank well. And then hit publish. I'll explain how the opt-in works when we get to it, but it's integrated within WooCommerce. And speaking of WooCommerce, CartFlows is great for all kinds of funnels, not just opt-in. So if you want to sell products for a funnel, if you want to add order bumps, if you want to optimize your store checkout, it can do all of that. So if you're running WooCommerce, then yeah, you certainly need to check out CartFlows. But let's carry on. I'm going to go into CartFlows right now and go into funnels. And then I'm going to create my first funnel. So in here, we've got a whole load of great funnel templates for all kinds of different things. There's one there for an event, business coach, yoga course, whey protein, pet food, all kinds of different situations. And of course, they're all completely customizable with your favorite page builder. Maybe it's the block editor, maybe it's Elementor. You can use whatever you like. So the funnel template that I'm going to use today is this one. We can take a look at it. It's the online marketing ebook. And as we can see, it's just a simple 2-step funnel. You've got the landing page here, and then you've got the thank you page. So nice and simple, 2 steps, converts really well because it's very low commitment. You just got to fill in a simple little form with your name and email address. So let's import this and then we can start customizing it. So I'm going to click import funnel, give it a name, SEO opt-in, and then import funnel. It's going to take a moment to do that. So we're now ready to start working on our funnel. Let me just put up a visual representation of how the funnel is going to work. So we're going to have some traffic coming in. This could be coming in from ads or some other marketing activity. They're going to hit a landing page. which is where they're going to opt in. They then get the thank you, and then there'll be a follow-up email. And of course, those emails can be sent from whichever email provider you like to use. Maybe it's MailChimp, maybe it's Omnisend, maybe it's ConvertKit, whatever you like. So let's start by setting up our opt-in landing page, which is this first step here. And I'm going to go into the settings because the first thing we need to do is just assign the product that I just created. So I can do a search for that. There it is. Then add that and then save the settings. Here we've got our opt-in form. So we've got full name, which is actually linked to the billing first name. We can have last name if we like. I'm just going to adjust this one and change this to be first name. I think it's useful to separate out the two fields. Let's save that. Okay, so let's close that. And let's take a look at our opt-in page. And here it is. It's looking good. And if we want to make some changes, we can just click on Edit Design, and it will take us into our favorite page builder, whatever you're running on your site. On here, we've got Spectra. So now we can make our changes. Maybe we want to make this text a little clearer. Let's make it white. Maybe we want to increase the size. We can do whatever we like with our page builder. I'm sure you're familiar with using a page builder. And maybe switch this out for the cover of the book. There it is, already uploaded, of course. And yeah, do what you like. Customize the page, make it as good as you possibly can. Add your own testimonials. It's super easy. I mean, it already looks great, so you aren't going to need to do too much. And you're good to go. So this form, let me explain how this form works. When someone completes this form, basically it's going to go into WooCommerce. It's going to create a order of the free product with the leads details, the name, first name, last name, and email address. So however you've got WooCommerce connected to your email provider, and don't worry if you haven't, it's super easy to do. So for example, if you're with Omnisend, or if you're with ConvertKit, or if you're with MailerLite or MailChimp, they've all got add-ons for WooCommerce. You just install that add-on. It's just another little plugin. Connect up your mail system to WooCommerce and configure it. So when anyone places an order on your website, their details will go into your mailing system. When anyone does this form, again, their details will go into your mailing system. Then, of course, once they're in there, you can then send them emails, run automations, whatever you need to do. So that's this page done. Let's click Save. And let's take a look. And here it is, looking good. So let me just test out this form. And here is our thank you page. Now, at the moment, it's got this order details element, which we don't really need because it's for a free guide. So this does need customizing a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a super special form to this page to qualify the lead even further and encourage them to book a free call with me, where obviously I can talk to them, help them with their SEO, and convert them into a client. So first off, I'm going to create that form, and then I'm going to come back here and edit this page. Now for the form, I'm going to be using SureForms. You can find it over at sureforms.com. There is a free version as well, which you can install from within your WordPress dashboard. I'm running the pro version because I want to use some conditional logic to do something super cool. So let's go into the dashboard, and then SureForms and New Form. And SureForms has got AI built in, so it's really easy to create a form. I'm just going to put in what I want right now, so the AI can build it for me. So here's the prompt. Basically, I want a one-click poll form. And it's basically, the question is, where is your agency currently struggling the most with SEO? And the options are option A, we don't have enough backlinks. Option B, our content isn't ranking. Option C, I'm just a beginner learning the ropes. Now, if someone selects option A or B, that means they're quite a hot lead because they've got a problem that needs solving, and my SEO agency can help them with that. So think carefully about what you could do in terms of qualifying the lead and encouraging them to book a call with you. So let's click generate, and it will create the form for me using the AI. So here is our form. The AI has created it just as I wanted. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of conditional logic to this so that it shows different things depending on what people select. So we don't have enough backlinks and our content isn't ranking. They're two hot leads. So I want to show something to those people, and then I'm just a beginner learning the ropes. They're not so hot, so I want to show them something else. So what I'm going to do for these ones, I want to ask them to book a call. So you could embed a Calendly link, or I can just add a phone number like this. And then above it, I'm going to add a little bit of text. So let me just click on the plus here. And I'm just going to use HTML to do that. So I'm just going to paste in a bit of text like that. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a couple of other fields just so we've got a bit more information. I'm going to add a text for name. And then I'm going to add a date picker for preferred day of call. And also a time picker. Okay, and then I want all this to show when they select this one or this one. So I've got conditional logic over here. Show this field when this is this, or that the main poll field is this one as well. And then I need to just apply that conditional logic to all these fields too. So let me just do that super quick. Okay, so I've added all of the conditional logic to all of those. Now for the last one, I'm just going to have a little message that comes up. So for that, again, I'm going to use HTML. Just a simple message that says, why don't you join our Facebook group? It's not a particularly hot lead if they're in that particular situation where they're just a beginner. So let's send them over to the Facebook group. So I'm just going to put a little bit of text in here. There we go, something like that. Got it. The best place to start is my Facebook mastermind where I post daily SEO breakdown videos. Click here to join, and then you just add a link to Facebook or your Facebook group, of course. Okay. And then enable the conditional logic. So this one shows when it's on. I'm just a beginner. Okay, let's save. So there we go. That's all done. I'm going to go back to the WordPress dashboard, and then into CartFlows, into the funnels, into my SEO opt-in funnel. So we can edit our thank you page. I'm going to click on the settings to start with. I'm going to just turn off the order overview and all this stuff. In advance, we can change the thank you page text to thank you, your ebook is on its way. Now, of course, you need to set up an automation in your email marketing software to send out the ebook, whatever it is. Or alternatively, you could add a link to download it on this thank you page just using the editor. Let's save that. In general, that's just the slug. And you can add some custom scripts, which is great for tracking. Let's click Edit Step. Let's change this to your ebook is on its way. Check your inbox. Then, of course, we could format this like that. Going to align it center. Got some more text here that we need to make white. Just change this text to congratulations. Now down here we can have whatever other offers we like. You can change it how you see fit. I'm going to get rid of this order detail form, so we can add our form instead. So to remove it, I'm just going to bring up the list view so I can see what I've got. Delete that. Then I'm going to click Add and then Form. It's this one here for SureForms. Select the poll. There it is. I'm just going to adjust the height on this container a little bit to move it down. And maybe we could add just a title, a heading here. One thing I have noticed is that this needs a bit of a background color. You see that? It's kind of not popping as it should do. Let's make that white. There we go. That looks good. So let's save our page. Of course, as I said, you can edit this bit as you like. Maybe you've got something else you want to promote. But let's try our form. We can view the page here. So here is our lovely looking thank you page. Let's try the form. There we go. They can select the day of the call, the time, add their phone number. If they select, I'm just a beginner learning the ropes, then they get to see the link to the Facebook page. So there we go. That is a complete funnel. So don't forget the thank you page. Thank you page is a great opportunity to upsell, to get them to book a call, whatever you need them to do to make that lead even more qualified and even hotter. Hope you found this video useful. Do go and check out CartFlows. It's at cartflows.com. Do check out SureForms as well over at SureForms.com. I wish you the best of luck with your funnels. And if you've got any questions or comments, do leave them below. I do love to hear from you. I do read all the comments that we get. For more tips, ideas, and tutorials on how to increase your sales, make sure you're subscribed by clicking the button below. But until next time, I wish you the best of luck with whatever it is you're working on, and I'll see you in the next one.